Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how to make money by testing applications and softwares online. So as usual, I'll be showing you a website. I'll be talking about all the pros and cons of that website, and also I'll be showing you how to make money and what is the pay cycle and all of the requirements in order to get paid. So without dragging a lot, we'll just start off with this video now. So this is the website guys, utest.com. I will leave the link below in the description box. So you can check it out if you are really interested in joining this website and making money online. Now about this website, so they have a very clear and transparent process. So now it's like this. You're going to join this website. You're going to register yourself here and it's going to be just the same, literally the same as how each and every website out there is going to ask you. So it's going to be the same. No changes in that. It's just about your email address and your personal details that you're going to enter and click the register button, and that's it. That's all about the sign up process. Now you'll be getting the confirmation email address from utest, so you have to confirm clicking the link in the mail. So once you have confirmed your profile, you will be let inside your dashboard, and from there, the one most important thing that you have to note is they are not going to ask you to attend any test, or it is not about any exams that you have to attend in order to get verified. But then you have one separate step called academy, where you have to keep on learning in order to make yourself better in this testing process. Now here is the page where you are going to enter all your personal details, date of birth, email address, and languages that you can speak. So be careful about what languages you are choosing, because that is really important. Don't ever choose a language that you're just now learning, because you're not going to be more fluent or comfortable speaking that language, and it will end up keeping some interruptions in between your explanation. So make sure you choose only the comfortable languages, and apart from that, now here is the important step. So step 1 will be like you are going to participate in utest academy. It's just a practice session, and you will be completing your tester profile, and then you will be getting into the payment cycle, which is like test cycles, so that you are going to get paid. Now the payment method will be mostly PayPal or PayUnit, and the monthly payment cycle will be around 15th or 30th of every month. It will be differing according to the projects that you're getting, and yeah. So that's all about the payment. You will be getting around $10 to $50 when you are a new tester. You will be getting a very low or marginal payment, but then once you are getting well practiced, and if you're more skilled tester, you will be getting around 1000 to 4000 a month. So the main point in this website is, if you are really good at finding out bugs, you are going to make a lot of money. But if you are not able to, then don't expect a lot of money, because most of the people I have seen a lot of reviews about this website, they will be keep on telling that it's a scam, it's not legit, they won't pay you. But it's not like that. It's just all about how much creative you are in, like as in how much you are able to find out a good quality bug. So the valuable bug you are finding out, you will be getting a lot of payment. So the payment or the pay actually depends upon how good quality bugs you are finding out. So say you're going to end up finding out some crappy or junk bugs, you won't be getting a lot of pay, and your pay rates might decrease. So make sure you find a good quality bugs in future in order to get good paid from this website. So make sure you are finding a better bugs in order to get a good amount of money, to actually see a good amount of money in this website. Now before moving on with this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell notification so that you are not missing out any videos that I am going to post in future. Now here we are back into this dashboard now. So once you're a skilled tester, now finishing all the academy test cycles, you can start off with the original test cycles in the project session of the dashboard. So here we are, you can see a different amount of projects that are posted in. So you can click on to the active projects that are posted. By bidding on to it, the recruiter will be able to see your application, and if he finds you are useful for this project, he will be awarding you with the project, and you have to test it. Now after testing it, he will have some requirements, so make sure you are agreeing upon the requirements and all of the rules and regulations, so that you don't have any misunderstanding in future, and also about the pay. And you will be getting paid once you are done with this one, the project. So that's all about it, guys. And the community is a place where you can communicate with other people, like testers and everyone. And in the home is nothing but your dashboard, and academy is where you can check out with latest skills and things that you have to improvise on. You can see, as you can see, you can see how to test mobile. So the course will be teaching you how to you know start off with test mobile programs and test cycles, screenshots, screen recordings, and something like that. So it's like a knowledge center where you can keep on learning and improvising yourself. So it's nothing like you have a requirement and you have to fit into it. It's not like that. You can be a newbie. You can start off by just improvising your skill from this academy. You have a lot of courses, so you can learn here and start off with applying to the projects that you are more familiar with. Now that's all about the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, you can comment below, so that I will be able to know that you guys like these kind of videos, and I will make a lot of videos like this in future. So yeah, guys, that's all about it. We'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.